How to use Perplexity AI for research. Perplexity AI is a specialized AI search engine that streamlines research by providing real-time information. Now, what you want to do is first thing first, open up your browser, type in Perplexity, click onto the first link that pops up here. Before typing your query, use the focus button to narrow your sources. This prevents the AI from pulling irrelevant data. So what you want to do is you click onto the search bar, and you could go to the research section, and here you just want to go ahead and make sure to type in your queries. You could prioritize peer-reviewed journals and scholars database by PubMed or other ResearchGate, something like that, and best for general inquiries and current news as well. You could also disable internet search to help with the brainstorming or formatting existing text as well. Next, you could also use a deep research for comprehensive report. That means toggle the deep research mode in the search box before submitting your query as well. And for free users have a daily limit with pro subscriber that gets unlimited access. So this way you'll be able to use Perplexity AI for research. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.